universe is not outside. The universe is within me. And then the science has studied that these electron, proton, neutrons, there are certain substances deep inside. And they said it's a boson particle. And that's what they said, it is the God's particle. And they said that God particle has the consciousness of its own. And Shiva Yoga says, yes, it has the consciousness, but everything within me has the consciousness of its own. Because that light, that infinite, is coming from that Shunya. Now, in our scriptures, it is said that a yogi, a Shiva yogi, it reaches into a state of Shunya. शून्य की जो अवस्था है वो अनंत की अवस्था है. हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ दिस और नॉट? जो शून्य है, द स्टेट ऑफ नथिंगनेस इज द स्टेट ऑफ इंफिनिटी. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव वंस वी रीच टू द लेवल ऑफ शून्य, दैट इज द गॉड्स पार्टिकल इनसाइड थ्रू आवर मेडिटेशन. Now, I am in that state where I am the creator. And that is what the Shiva yogis, they said, Shivoham, Shivoham. I am Shiva. Now, earlier, he said, who are you? Then say, I am Mr. Reddy. I am Mr. So-and-so. But once you go inside, and a state of infinite, that is, I am Shiva. Shiva means infinite. So when they say Shivoham, they refer that I am infinite. And that is what is the process of Shiva Yoga. It is to learn the science of going inside. The yogis, they mentioned that there are 10 doors inside to reach to the God. The God is not outside. You are searching the God. The God is not outside. The God is within you. Shiva Yoga is the sadhana of Advaita. Advaita means non-duality. There are not two. The God is within you, and you will have to find the God which is there within you. And the yogis, they said, there are 10 doors. Dasham Dwara. And the Guru, when he gives the initiation and he guides the sadhak, then one door opens, then the second door opens, the third door opens. And finally, when the 10th door is open, then they don't say, you see the God, you see the Narayana, you see the Vishnu, you see the Krishna, or you see the Shiva, or you see the Shakti, you see the goddess. No, nobody said that. लोग बोलते हैं ना, मुझे दर्शन करने हैं, दर्शन दो. So what the yogis, they say, when the 10th door is open, आपको आप जी के दर्शन होते हैं. You see yourself